Very good evening all. The continuation part of Linux tutorial. This video, I'm going to talk about NGINX. So generally the name is NGINX. So that name will be written as NGINX. That will be a name. They'll be using here. It is just used for, it is like a HTTP web server, and it acts as a reverse proxy server, and it is a content cache, and it acts as a load balancer. It is used for TCP UDP proxy server and acts as a mail proxy server. So it is a various areas the NGINX services we are using. So originally written by Egor Sisovi. So it was distributed in the free BSD license level. So generally, this will serve static content. Static content means HTML, CSS, and images. And it acts as a reverse proxy to backend servers like Node.js, PHP, Python apps. So for that reason, even these services we can use. So even load balancing of incoming traffic gets to multiple servers. For a load balance server, NGINX services we will use, and it acts as a SSL TLS terminator. That means it's a security kind of purpose also we can use. So heading cache and compressions purpose also, these services can be used in the real-time environment. So now how to install these NGINX services in Red Hat Enterprise Linux generally. So this video, it is for either you can go for Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7, 8, and 9. So now I connected. So I installed Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 machine. So suppose this is a machine I'm taking here. This is a machine, Red Hat Enterprise Linux NGINX services. I'm going to take it here. I'm going to take the public IP address, connect the server using Mobextream. And username is ec2-user. Now the machine is ready. Let's connect. The console is trying to connect the server, but server is not accepting the communication. Might it get failed? Yes. What could be the reason? Let me check. So this machine, the security group, the default security group, the traffic which is available. Okay. So this is only for internal. The security group is allowing here. I'm going to allow all traffic here from IPv4. Save the rule. Let's connect once again. Yeah, successfully connected the server. So what is the next step? I need to update the system by using the command sudo yum update. So when you install any commands, generally, if you enter the installations into the system, it will ask yes or no. You want to continue to install, either you want to abort the connections or abort installations kind of things. So now presently the files are downloading and ready to be installed on this machine. See, this is the option asking yes or no. Generally, so even without asking yes or no on the live, you can give at end of the command, you can give -y, it will accept on the fly to install it. It won't ask it. See, automatically accepting -y, so then installing here. Next, successfully install the system updates. There is some EPL packages will be there. EPEL. EPL stands for Extra Packages for Enterprise Linux. So the extra packages for RHEL 7, RHEL 8, RHEL 9. So there's a different things are available. So presently we are running the latest operating system with a 9. So we need to install these commands. So sudo dnf install EPL hyphen release y sudo subscription manager repos enable code ready builder for RHEL 8, and this is the package we should install it. So if some packages is missing, no problem. So you can leave it. Next, we need to install NGINX services. The command is sudo yum install NGINX space -y. Now this is ready to it's successfully installed, and we need to check the services status. Sudo system ctl status NGINX. The service is dead condition. So what we need to do, we need to start. In the status, you need to make a change. It's a start. Then you can check the status. It is active now. But if we restart the server, again the services will stop. So make sure enable the services on boot level, even if the machine is rebooted. The command is sudo system ctl enable service name and hit enter. So sudo systemctl command is wrong. So successfully created. So now we need to check the a web services is able to access or not. Go here and take the public IP address of the server and open in new tab and hit enter. And this is a message you'll get, continue the site. And this is the enterprise services, we got it. So if this page is loaded, so our services NGINX is successfully installed on Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Thank you. I think last class could